and then we'll be like,
Okay, Eva, do that too.
What are you trying to get up from me?